I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
All well, everything is good. So, Tamanna, welcome to this one-to-one interaction with our Chancellor, Ma'am, and Director, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Please be as frank as possible in telling us what is happening in the university, what are you liking, what do you think can be improved. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, over to you.
So, Tamanna, can you share with me what are the three inspiring ideas that you are taking from term one?
Inspiring ideas. That all the teachers are at time and always 24/7 available at to help us, and they're all very frank, and anytime they're helping us throughout our sessions or throughout our day. And one thing more. The overall activities are also very nice.
So, what I wanted to know, Tamanna, is that share with me something that personally out of those classes that you have really the ideas from the classes that you have taken. Like if you have done the critical thinking, you've done mindful leadership, you have done the business planning process, English. I don't know if you took the English course or not. So, what in those classes were the three inspiring ideas that you can really apply? You can say, okay, this idea I think later on in work I can apply, or this idea I'm able to implement right away. So क्या आपने सीखा जो आपको याद है अभी?
In critical thinking, we learn about the problem solving technique, that we have to first identify what is a problem, and we have to then gather information about that problem. We have to do analysis, then we have to take the options, then we have to select the most preferable option. The first is this, and the second thing is the presentation, the Word document which we are making are really very helpful. I have never done this before in my life, and and in mindful leadership, I learned about how to control my mind and how to focus on my work rather than people.
Mm. So has that helped you practically?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Anything else that comes to mind? These are very good examples. Both of them are amazing.
And another thing, to do my work on time.
Very good.
Because of the due date pressure, we are doing our work on time.
Very good. And what for term two, January term two will start. So what can we do to delight you more?
Everything is going good in my case, and I have no problem related to, or no issues right now. But because Satyam sir is always available if I have any issues.
Okay. All right. Amit, it's over to you.
Yeah. Hi Tamanna, Amit here. So Tamanna, now that first term is over, you are in a university, you will graduate also someday, and we just want to understand what are your long-term goals, what you aspire to be, what you want to become, what you want to do once you graduate or after this.
So, firstly, I want to pursue chartered accountancy, the
Okay.
main aim of my life. Then, after pursuing chartered accountancy, I want to work. I want to get a job in a very good company, and which can teach me new things. Which can give me new challenges, which I can overcome, and then I have to start my long term practice.
Okay. You like challenges.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
No, no, good to hear such things, such words at this age. Great. And one more thing I want to understand, Tamanna, couple of things, or one thing which you are really good at. You really like to do that thing. You're really skilled at that. You want to take that further. You can contribute in some way with that skill of yours. ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो आपको बहुत अच्छी से आती है?
Apart from studies or in studies?
Studies and without studies also. Good. दोनों बताओ आप.
Studies, sir, I can. My one thing that I like about me is, if you'll give me anything to do, it's either it's singing or dancing or drawing or studying, I will give my 100% there.
So that's your internal quality. Out of these things, which the skills you said or the activities you said, इसमें से आपको you are really good at which one?
Dancing
one.
and drawing, apart from studies.
Apart of dancing and drawing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have been involved in dancing or drawing in some way, professionally or the otherwise, coaching, and at what level have you done all these things?
Sir, drawing I have pursued national level, second
Okay.
position in Kolkata, and
What
dancing.
What was that competition, Tamanna? You said national में आप गए थे, schools की तरफ से गए थे आप?
Yes sir, schools नहीं लेके गए थे sir, actually स्कूल में हमारे एक सर थे राजेश पसक, वो कुछ फाइन आर्ट का कुछ उनका था, तो
So what kind of drawing do you do? What kind of drawing you do?
Sir, it's been a long time. I haven't made anything actually.
Achha.
Due to 12th and the corona, I haven't made anything. So last time, normal drawings,
Achha.
sketchings, or
And dancing also. And dancing.
Dancing also. Freestyle, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Maybe once the university has a lot of activities, we will involve you actively and you have to contribute in that.
Yes,
I'm sure you will come
sir.
forward and participate in these kind of activities for university and for
Yes,
yourself also. Huh? Good. Okay. Thank you so much, Satyam.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Tamanna. Tamanna, please also share something about your family. आपके parents क्या करते हैं and who all are there in your family?
Sir, my family, there are 20 members. I'm living in a joint family, and we work. My father is a businessman, and we have pulses factory and stores also, shops also. And my brother is a chartered accountant.
Okay, your brother is already a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Me and my sister are also pursuing chartered accountancy.
Okay.
The sister which is of my age.
Your cousin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So, as in, how many siblings do you have? One brother?
One brother.
Okay, great. Great, Tamanna. That's it. I would really like to comment on Tamanna's one thing, sir. So, the entire process, she didn't let us interact with her parents. So she did it everything in terms of form filling, application, fees, depositing fees, everything she has managed on her own.
Very
She's
good.
already managing
Thank you,
things.
sir.
Great stuff. Thank you.
Good
Thank
luck.
you, Tamanna. Thanks for
Thank
sharing.
you.
Bye, Tamanna. Good luck. Good luck. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.